Good morning, students. How are you this morning? I hope you are fine. You are okay. You are awesome. Okay, students. Today, Sir Juan want to explain to you how to do your project. Okay, this is project grade 4. Okay, especially for Big Dipper and Leo class, start on Wednesday, 10 November 2021 until 16 November. And for the Gemini and Orion class, start from Thursday, 11 until 17 November. Okay, I hope you can finish your project before that deadline. Okay, in here, Sir Juan will explain to you to do the project with computer. Okay, this is specially for the student. If you have computer or laptop at home, you can do with this. You can follow the step. Okay, the first open Microsoft Word and then make the title or give it the heading with capital letter. Again, heading is on the title. The following is a list of countries in Southeast Asia and their capitals. And the title heading in the center. Yeah, you must put the heading or the title in the center. Use color. Yeah, the color up to you. Border and shading. Yeah, text a little dark. Ya, a little dark it mean bold, ya, cetak tebal. And make underline the word country. Ya, the word country nanti ini dibuat bergaris bawah ya, kid. And then using bullet and numbering, make a list of the countries. Make the text a little slanting, bold, and use the text highlight color like this one. Okay, student, this is numbering, ya, and number 1. Okay, use bullet and numbering. Yeah, use numbering, and then the text a little slanting. Slanting is italic. Ya, ini garis cetak miring. And bold, cetak tebal. Dan dikasih highlight color. Ya, the color up to you ya. Kita highlightnya warnanya terserah kamu. And number 5, every country type simple article. Jadi setiap country ini ya dikasih artikel atau penjelasan. Up to you. You can copy from Google and paste on your project. Jadi like this one ya. Ini ada artikelnya sedikit keterangan tentang Brunei Darussalam. Ya, you can take from Google, you can copy or you can type directly. Bisa diketik langsung di sini atau kamu copy juga from Google can. And the text align on both side. Jadi teks yang ini, artikel ini buat justify. It just okay, this is the example kit. Make it as good as possible. Ya, ini the next step. Ya, make it as good as possible. You can choose the color of your choice. Jadi bisa memilih warna terserah kalian. The example with side. Contohnya ini kit. Ya, the following is a list of countries in Southeast Asia and their capitals. Yeah, you can see here have border. This one is border. Yeah, this one is border, and this one the yellow, the green color is shading. Yeah, border and shading. And you can see countries here have underline, and make it center. Dan dia posisinya di tengah-tengah ya, rata tengah. Okay, and then after you make the title or the heading, you can make number 1. This is numbering. Yeah, type Brunei Darussalam. Yeah, capital is Bandar Seri Begawan. And you make article the simple aja kit. Ya, buat yang sangat sederhana, short text ya, tidak panjang-panjang. Brunei is a small equatorial country on the northern coast of the island of Borneo in Southeast Asia. Ya, cukup. Buat artikel yang sedikit. Can take from Google. Kamu cari di Google, bisa kamu ketikkan. Okay, the next Philippine, ya, dan seterusnya. Make until here 11. Jadi the countries on Southeast Asia itu have 11. Ya, kamu type hampir 11 and then dibuat seperti ini gitu. Dibuat artikelnya sedikit saja. After that, finish it. Don't forget to make the color. Ya, the text color atau font color, kamu boleh pilih warna apa saja. And don't forget every country and capital make the highlight. Student, after that, save your project with your name, project, example, Tony project, like this one, ya kid, name, and then send to my WhatsApp or my email. Okay, students, that is about the computer project with computer. And now I want to explain to you, yeah, if you don't have computer, yeah, this is without computer or without laptop. Yeah, if you don't have computer or laptop, you can do on your paper, do your project on a white paper, make the list, give it heading, ya like this one, heading, buat judulnya di atas seperti ini, and the title or heading in the center, use color, border and shading, effect the text, little dark bold. Ya, jadi nanti judulnya ini bisa kamu lebih tebal buat dan bisa dikasih border kotak ya. And don't forget the countries make underline. Okay, and then using bullet numbering ya, buat juga seperti ini, buat number, and you can write the text, the names of countries and their capitals, nama kota, ibu kotanya juga ya, nama negara dan ibu kotanya. Every country type a simple article, dan juga harus kamu ya, tulis sedikit artikel tentang negara itu sendiri. Okay, example like this one, yeah, especially for the student, if you don't have computer or laptop at home, you can do like this one. Only 5, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 on a white paper, yeah, and then take photo, can send to my WhatsApp or you can submit to school also. Okay, I think easy kid about your project. I hope you can do it, you can finish it before deadline. Okay, Sir Juan will give the or for your project. I take from skill when make the project, and creativity ya, kreativitas, and content, isinya ya kid, isi daripada project kamu. Okay, thank you student. I hope you can do your project, finish your project before deadline. Okay, now show how to do your project. You can open Microsoft Word, and then click this one, blank document. Okay, you can type here the title you can see here. The following is list of countries. The following is a list of countries. Okay, in Southeast Asia. In Southeast Asia and their capital. Okay, like this one. Okay, and then you make here number 1, yeah, the example, Brunei Darussalam. Okay, you can press type, then here Bandar Sri Bandar Sri Begawan ya kid. Okay, student, the example only one here. I make. Okay, Bengawan. And the next, we make the article about it. Kita buat artikel tentang ini. Ya, you can take from Google ya, Kit. Harus sama seperti ini. Tidak beda. Bisa kamu cari dari Google. Ya, like this one. Brunei is a small equatorial country. Okay, the example ini contoh aja gitu. Country on the northern coast of the island. Okay, example kid. Kid, and then don't forget make this one. Yeah, select first and then make it center and then make it bulb. Yeah, and then make the color. And then don't forget to make border and shading. You click here, border and shading. Yeah, you can choose one box or shadow and then choose the color. Example this one, and you can make width one have here, and then make shading. Yeah, color the shading. Yeah, example this one, and you can choose the pattern style. Yeah, up to you, ya kid. And then choose text. Okay, one already have kid. And here don't forget make it one. Yeah, this is bullet and numbering. And then choose this one, have highlighting and bold and italic. Okay, don't forget make it bold and italic. Wow, already kid. And this is up to you. You can make the color also. Okay, number 2. Yeah, you can continue kid. You can continue the next. Yeah, Filipina, Manila. Yeah, Filipina. Yeah. Don't forget make this one harus rata dengan ini kit number 1. Ya, must press tab. Bisa kamu tekan tab on your keyboard, tab, and then Manila. Okay, enter. Don't forget me again. This is highlighting, and then don't forget also make bold and italic, and then make the article. Artikelnya dibuat lagi di sini. Students, I think enough about my explanation to do your project. So I hope you can finish your project before deadline. Okay, thank you student, thank you for your attention. Keep spirit, keep healthy. Nice to see you again. See you. Bye bye.